Alright, so what we got here is some organic green curry. That's by the brand right here, as you can see. So this is basically like a Thai cooking set that provides you the ingredients to use to make any kind of curry dishes. All you guys have to do is add your own proteins or vegetable onto the actual ingredients or the actual flavor that they have in here. So you can see right here it mentions everything that's in this meal kit. So there's organic coconut milk, there's organic green curry paste, there's organic green curry seasoning, and there's also organic dry herbs. And then it tells you guys like how fast you can make the product itself and actual spicy level if you can do it here, and how many it can actually serve. So 2 people right here, and then also the fact that it's gluten free as well, and it's also 100% vegan. So let's open up and see what the inside looks like for these ingredients. Alright, so I'm not sure you can see that's what's inside there. Let's take it all out. So right here is the organic dry herbs, if you guys can see right here. This is the organic green curry paste. This is the organic coconut milk. And then right here is the organic curry seasoning. And in case you guys don't know how to actually make the ingredients or whatever, they teach you guys how to use it right here, as you can see. And let's make some curry. So we're using some shrimp and bell pepper. So we're gonna let this boil and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Alright, so we got the curry right here, and this is the final product. There's a lot of stuff in there. We use bell pepper, shrimps, and some other ingredients as well. You can basically use this for anything. Once you guys finish the product, you guys can add it onto rice, noodles, or whatever case may be. That's up to you guys.